Just wanted to get a little bit more of an insight into the scope of the rust on this fender. Not sure if you're gonna be able to see this. Okay, so obviously it's all rotted out down here. This is the piece I cut out, and the inner brace here, this inner brace, it's not bad. It's pretty solid up until this point right here, and then it rotted right off, and that's where it bolts on right there, or there's a stud sticking out there. But this is all this part of the car is just, anyways, I'll video that in a minute. But this brace runs up here, and I thought maybe that because this has a seam here, and then you can see this bottom section of the fender, it's a separate piece from the top, and you can see there right there, there's a seam. Anyways, there's a flange here, and it's actually spot welded together. So the only way I can get this off is to drill out the spot welds, and I'm not prepared to do that at this point. I mean, the only way to really fix it properly is to do that, but we're on a limited budget. So I just discovered another problem here. So you see that stud right there? It's not too bad, I don't think. My screwdriver. And it's rusted out there too. So right at the bottom of that, I guess stuff like dirt and stuff would come in here from the wheel and get trapped in that little bump out there and sit in there and stay wet, and it's rusted this out at the bottom. And there's another one up here, and it's quite bad. I can't see that? You can see right through it. So it's pretty rotten. It's quite rotted. You can see something dangling in there. I don't know what that is. So yeah, see, right rusted through. And so right along this edge here also, it's badly pitted around the corner. So really the fender needs to come right off to fix it. I can't do it on the car. So that's